Warning for northern Madison County, southern Clinton County, southeastern Howard County, northeastern Boone County, Hamilton County, Tipton County, until 4:30 p.m.
Holy crap, is this about to upload the... Holy crap, guys. The temperature is quickly dropping.
4 to 6 miles west of Tipton to 8 miles southeast of Frankfort, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour.
It's 67 degrees out, and it's only 4.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
It shouldn't be 67 degrees out.
Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Guys, I woke up to a severe thunderstorm watch.
Frankfort, Carmel,
That's the entire reason why I woke up.
Elwood,
A lot of radios were going off for a severe thunderstorm warning.
Cicero, Sheridan, Greentown, LaPel, Franklin, Arcadia, Kirkland, Atlanta, and Sharpsville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 148 and 156. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, Hamilton, Howard, Madison, and Tipton.